Ready? Okay, everyone, so I bought this mini egg cooker at Walmart. $8 for myself. Okay, that's my gift to myself. Because I know a lot of people have a hard time with boiling eggs, so I decided that I would show this video because I want to see if this works, and if it works, I would recommend you guys to go and purchase you one as well. Okay, so it says it cooks 7 eggs, okay? For boiled, they got all kinds of recipes. It comes with the recipe book, y'all, okay? So we're gonna follow the instructions, okay? It says take this bottom part and this egg piece. This is called the egg tray, okay? This bottom part is the heating pan. It has an on and off switch. It got a lid. It comes with a measuring cup. As you see here, I put the water to where it says hard for a hard boiled egg. This is just one of the recipes, y'all. If it works, we're gonna try some more of the recipes that came with it. Okay, so you plug it up like so. You are going to fill the water in the tray for the amount that it says for the hard boiled eggs. They got medium boiled, hard boiled, and then they got custard on there, okay? So let's place the tray back. You're gonna place the egg, it says with the large, place the larger end of each egg with the piercing tool located on the bottom of the measuring cup. I don't know what that is. With the piercing end of the egg facing upward, place an egg in each designated spot in the egg tray. Do not let the egg touch the heating plate. Okay? With the pierced end of the egg facing up. Okay? So we're gonna do it like that. And it fits 7 eggs, y'all. Okay? So you can boil 7 eggs. Okay. So then you're gonna place the lid on top like so. Okay? It's on there. Okay? Cover with the lid and toggle on/off switch to the on position, which is this line right here. So that's off and this is on the mini egg cooker. So we're gonna switch it to on. Okay. The indicator light will illuminate. We got a light on it right here, which is blue. So we know that it's on because of the light, okay? When eggs are cooked, an audible chime will sound until you toggle the on/off switch to the off position. Okay, so when it goes off, we're gonna hear a chime, and I'll be back, you guys. Okay. Okay, you guys, so it's down to the wire. There is steam coming out. The water was boiling and it was roaring. One of my eggs was cracked. As you can see, it was cracked, so it's leaking. Oh, that's a chime. This means that it's done. And it says that of the chime until you hit the off button. So, it's off. Now let's lift the lid. Okay. As you can see, my cracked egg, it did cook, the cracked egg, but that wasn't supposed to happen, y'all. I didn't realize the egg was cracked, okay? So I got 2 cracked eggs in here. But let's take one out and let's check and see how the boiled egg turned out, okay? Okay, y'all, so I ran these 2 under cold water because we got to do this demonstration on this review of this My Mini Egg 7 cooker. Ooh, It's still hot. But this look like a soft boil, even though it said that was hard boil. Maybe I supposed to do something about letting it sit there. I don't know. Okay, so that looks boiled, right? Y'all ready for me to cut that one open? This is just a demonstration now for this one. If it ain't done right. Ooh. Ooh, we got a perfect boiled egg. Y'all see that? Perfectly boiled egg. It's beautiful. No green around the edges or none of that. So, this My Mini Egg Cooker does make a hard boiled egg. It can do medium. And this is the first recipe that I tried. We're going to do some more of these recipes that came in this book with the My Mini Egg 7 Egg Cooker. Thank you guys for joining Cooking with TK, and stay tuned to my channel for another video.